welcome. Welcome again, my people. What's good with y'all, man? How y'all doing? How y'all living? Y'all good? Cause I'm great. Hey, I got a surprise for y'all. I got a surprise for you, man. Yeah. Y'all been showing me so much love, man. I had to show y'all some love too, you know. Ooh, ain't nothing like the smell of a good cigar. Oh. Y'all smoke cigars? I smoke cigars. It's my thing, you know what I'm saying? It's my way of relaxing. So check this out, y'all. Woo, this bad go. Don't run from me now. Hey, y'all. It's 9 o'clock at night tonight. And I want to go get me a... I'm gonna get me a truck tonight. Something nice, willfully, because I'm feeling good. I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm feeling good. I wanna know why I'm feeling good. I had a goal that I'm gonna invest a little bit more into this channel, right? So, as y'all can see, we did it. We hit 1,000. So, with that being said, I had this goal that when I hit 1,000, I would go get a nicer camera. So, got a GoPro, y'all. I bought a GoPro. I ordered it today, so should be here next couple of days, along with some other accessories. So, I did this for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Up the quality a little bit when I'm chasing down these nice trucks. So be patient like y'all always have been. There's gonna be some better footage coming. So on that high note, I'm happy about it, y'all. I'm happy about it. I'm excited. So it's gonna be new for me, so bear with me. You know, gotta set it up and all of that, and you know, but it feels good. It feels good, man. It feels good. So, like again, y'all see my views. They're like, we here at the bottom, starting from the bottom, and we going up. You know, slowly but surely, we are going up to you guys, my friends and followers. So I want to thank y'all, man. You know, it's been a very enjoyable thing to do. You know, when I look at these trucks drive by, man, and I guess it's because I've always wanted to drive trucks ever since I was 18 years old, and then I'm 30 now. I'm about to be 31 in January the 20th. So from that time until now, man, I've always wanted to get inside one of these trucks, man. And as time goes on, my love for them just gets stronger and stronger and stronger, to the point where I couldn't ignore it no more. So what I did to find like relief is just started videotaping them, man. And videotaping them and then rewatching them, man. It's something that I wanted to share with you all because I get so much joy out of it. Like, these trucks are so amazing, and it brings so much to me. Like, you know, people find all kinds of things that brings happiness and joy to them, and for me, it's looking at these trucks, man. So, you know, I shared a video one day, and then it went nuts, it went crazy, and then that's when I realized that, oh, you know what, man, I should keep doing this, because obviously I'm not the only one out there that like these trucks. You know, for people that live in other countries across the world, they don't have an opportunity to get to see like these Peterbilt trucks and these Kenworth W900s. So, you know, thanks to YouTube, that they have an opportunity that they can see it. So it's now a hobby of mine that I really enjoy, to the point where now I invested in getting me a little camera, so where I can even grow from there. So all my videos have been on my phone, as you guys can see. So really just want to thank y'all, man. I want to thank y'all for liking and subscribing. You know, like I said, it's not a whole lot of us, but I think that's key in life. You know, you need those small people like in your circle that gonna rock with you and have a support base, and then from there, you know, it's gonna grow and it's gonna blossom. So because y'all always stay tuned in, you know, I figured I'll invest in y'all. Y'all invest in me, so I'll invest in y'all. So we're a very small channel, but you know, we're growing, and one thing we have in common, everybody's different. You know, you that's watching, you're different, you know. So, but one thing you and I have in common is, you know, is our appreciation and our likeness for these big rigs. So I'm gonna go out and get me a truck tonight, man, and call it a day. But just know that coming soon, you know, it's gonna be a little bit of quality, and you looking at me? This chick over here in the car just staring at me. I gave her the head nod. She gave me the head nod. But anyways, man, thank y'all, man, and hope y'all enjoy whatever I get tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna get tonight, but whatever it is, I hope y'all enjoy it. And I'm gonna see y'all soon, man, on the next one. So like, subscribe, share, man. You know the vibes. The Peterbilt Hunter. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all, and y'all be good. Peace. Riding that thing, boy. Look at that Peterbilt. All lit up. Sexy. He got lights on the fuel tanks, yeah, boy. Y'all can see this in person, man. Look at the fuel tanks, though. That's such a beautiful setup. Let me know if y'all like this setup. he lit up so good you can't even see the truck. Doing, boy, these nice trucks, man, they be rolling at night. Less traffic on the road. He got an open road to just spread his wings and cruise. I don't know where he going, but shout out to him for sure. I really like the lights on the fuel tank. I ain't never seen that setup before.